Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing a giveaway for my subscribers. Same rules as always. Sometime in the video I'm gonna ask you a question and all you have to do is answer in the comments down below. Again, this is for my US subscribers, so please make sure if you want to win these, I ask you that you live in the United States. Also, I am leaving for 2.5 weeks soon, so for this week we're gonna do multiple giveaways and I'm gonna pick the winners after October 6th. So another thing I need you to do is to check your YouTube your comment replies. There should be a notification that someone replied to your comment. That'll be me. If the random YouTube video picker picks you for any of the giveaways, I will send you a comment with instruction, and I need you to check to make sure that it gets to you, because there have been one person that I think it was the second giveaway I did, and she never replied. I sent her multiple messages and she never responded. So yeah, I need you to check back after October 5th, check your comments, your notifications, because you could be winning one of the few giveaways that's coming up this week. This week, I mean from September 11th. For this week, this coming week, I'm gonna put multiple giveaways and the winners will be picked when I'm back, which is after October 5th, 6th. Yeah, it's gonna be long vacation. So let's pick the winners for the previous giveaways. Okay, so for this one, the pink bows, start. And here's our winner. I love cheesecake, yummy. Me too, especially the ones with like caramel. Love it. Congrats, Kelly. And for this other one, I think this is the one with the Disney question. Yes. All right, here's our winner, Tracy. Awesome. I cannot wait to send these out to you. Alright, congratulations. I am so excited to send these to you guys, and let's get to it. Let's see what we can win in today's giveaway. First, we have this really cute stamp set which has little animals, bunnies. Now in this giveaway I am including a few kind of winter Christmassy stamps, but I have more, and I want to do those like end of October, so just before Christmas, so just before, like a month before Christmas. Very cute. I love these. I have so many of this design. The designer, the bunnies, they always have different activities. Then we have another Christmassy one. There's a little hedgehog driving a car. We got 2 sentiments, a couple of birds. Very cute. I think they're very, very cute. Alright. A cutting die. This is a mushroom, so it will look like this when you look at it. Mushroom, it's pretty big. Let me just measure for you. It is 3.5 inches, a little bit more than 3.5. Another stamp, big leaves, so almost the same, yeah, pretty much the same size, height, but you can lay them down. Very nice. Older and wiser. Yeah. Leaves. 7 leaves. This is new. it was a duplicate, so it's still attached to each other. You don't have to use them. I suggest when you take them apart, you use the tool that there's like a special tool that cuts these off. I'm thinking about making what kind of tools I use for crafting, like must-have tools. So in that, I'm definitely gonna show that because it's made it so much easier. It's the little clipping thing for jewelry. It looks like that. Yeah, one day I'll show you guys. Cats. I love the sentiments on these. They're very big. They take up a lot of space and it catches the eye. Okay. This die, more leaves. Perfect for winter. I'll be back early October. I'm gonna respond to your comment if you win, and hopefully send these out to you within a couple days. And then you can already make a card for Halloween or Thanksgiving. Perfect timing. This whole set, yes, it is a duplicate. We got foods. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it is winter, autumn style. Let me see. I don't want to ruin the package. Alright, 4 rolls. We got some food, chestnut, tomatoes in a bag, pear, yeah, like this. All of these. Okay, my question is, what kind of music do you listen to? That's it. What genre music do you like? Alright, next one. Let me see if I can find it. In here we have some other winter style theme color. Well, I really like the colors match. And then the other ones, let's see. Alright, just because. Why not? These are definitely journal styles. But you don't have to use them for journals. You can also use them on cards. Pumpkin! I just bought pumpkin spice syrup for coffee. It's about to begin. Yeah, it's that time of the year. This will be the first Halloween / Thanksgiving in about 10 years that I'm not going to Disneyland. How crazy is that? The rules and the tickets, it's just got so weird. There's no fast pass, or they're trying to make a fast pass system where you have to reserve in advance, and it just really complicated. I'm gonna let other people figure it out first, and then maybe I'll go then. Because right now they don't even offer the annual memberships like before. I've had a Disney pass for every year for the last decade, except 2020 and 2021. Yeah, my last pass expired the early November of 2019. So yeah, so no Disney this year. Maybe Christmas. Alright, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you enter, and then after October 5th, keep checking to see if you won. And there is gonna be a few other giveaways, so that will be coming out a few days after this one. So this is gonna come out on September 11 or 12, so tomorrow. And then the following few days, there's gonna be more of these giveaways. So stay tuned and feel free to enter for all of them. Good luck.